Y'all know what time it is. I got the do-rag on. Y'all know what time it is.
Do-rag activity.
Alright, so what is up, YouTube fans? Swag Kicks here, and I'm giving y'all another how-to style video slash sneaker review. Trying to, just switch it up and do something different. So I wanted to keep the streetwear and sneaker review and just, mesh them. So yeah, here we go. We got how to style videos now slash sneaker reviews in a way. But as y'all can tell by the title, I will be showing you guys the Air Jordan 6 Travis Scott collab of the British Khaki. So I'm very surprised that I was able to even hit on this sneaker. I copped off of the sneakers app, so I got it for retail, the retail price, excuse me. So I don't know if I said it on my YouTube channel, but I always tell my homie Ron that, and my brother, that I'm not copping nothing for resale. Nothing. If I can't get it for retail, then it just wasn't meant for me. So I guess these were meant for me, so I'm very happy. But before we get into the how to style and the sneaker review, make sure you guys go ahead and smash that thumbs up button for your boy. It helps me out with the algorithm of YouTube, like I always say in my videos now. I feel like I'm promoting it in a way. But yeah, go ahead and do that. If you're a first time viewer, make sure you hit that subscribe button for you can be alerted on any other videos that I post. Notification bell as well. I keep forgetting to add that in there. Hit that notification bell as well to be notified on future videos that I have. And leave a comment down below. Let me know what you actually think of the Air Jordan 6 British Khaki. Let me know if you rock with the olive green sixes or you rock with these. But alright, I think that's pretty much it for my little intro. And follow me on my social media, primarily on Instagram, so at @ma_trice, and Twitter at @ma_trice. But I don't tweet. I just do funny. I just retweet funny stuff. So yeah. But anyways, let's go ahead and get into the sneaker first before we get into the outfit. Alright, so we have the box. Okay, we have the box right here. Now I have pictures, so I'm gonna cue that real quick. So yeah, this is the box right here. I don't know if y'all can see it. The Cactus Jack box. Like I said, I got pictures. Alright, nice packaging. It actually came with a dust bag. I don't really use the bag. The only time I really used a bag like that was back in middle school. I don't even know what for, but I would put like certain things in it. I think just to be cool, just to look cool. I don't even know, but it came with one. It came with one. Let me show y'all real quick. But like I said, I got pictures, so it's already probably showing. But got the dust bag. Y'all can see that. Hold on. Got the dust bag. Got Jordan right there. And then you got the Cactus Jack logo on there. And of course, it wouldn't be right if it didn't come with that extra pair of laces. You got your brown and you got your red right there. Boom, out the way. I think that's pretty much it. Alright, so alright, here's the sneaker, you guys. I don't know if I might need to bring the lighting down so before you guys can get that true color. Too dark. Alright, so this is the sneaker right here. On this one, just go ahead and get into the details real quick. Alright, so on this one you got Cactus Jack on the back, and then on this one you got the Nike Air. Yeah. Alright, so that's pretty much the difference between the two. But All right, so on the bottom right here you have Travis, his logo, and then you have. Well, I need to see what that true is. That is this like an infrared? Bright crimson. Okay, bright crimson. It kind of looks like an infrared, but it's a bright crimson color. So I guess the laces are bright crimson as well. But you have that Jumpman in bright crimson, and the three. I mean not 3M, but the glowing on this sneaker is ridiculous. I have. Like I said, pictures. I'm gonna be posting them up while I'm doing this real quick. It's very ridiculous. The pony hair on this is crazy, you guys. Let me see if y'all can see that. It is crazy. It's crazy. So pretty much it glows. The heel tab right here glows. The bottom, of course, glows, and then that tongue glows. So it's crazy when a light hits it. It just, hey man. And the last pair of shoes that actually did that for me, they had to be. I used to have the foam posits, the Yeezy foam posits. You guys can like go way back in my way back through my videos. It should be, well, I categorized all my videos, so it should be in like season 1. You can go back and see those Yeezy foams. I think I just did it on foot, but those glow. And my the Yeezys that I have now, the 700 V2, that gives a pretty good glow. So, but these, man, they go, whew, they go crazy. So as you know, with the Travis Scott sixes, they have pockets now. On these, he put 2 more pockets. I believe on the other sixes, the ones before this one, the olive green ones, I believe they just had 1 pocket, and I think it was just a zip pocket. So on the inside of the shoe, that medial side, you got the pocket right here. There's nothing in here right now. I don't know what I'm gonna put in there.
Oh, and you can put your weed in there.
Nothing right now. So you got that, and then you got the snap pocket with, let's see if I can show y'all, with the logo again right there. And then you have, you get 2 lace locks, and I just tossed them in there. Well, you actually got, it came with this one on there. I don't know if you guys can see that. No, hold on. It came with this one on there, but I took it off, and then you get the other one. It just has Cactus Jack and the Jordan Jumpman on there. Like I said, I got B-rolls. And on the inside, you have Nike Air. You have, oh, it's different. Okay, on this one with the Cactus Jack on it. Let's see, with the Cactus Jack on the heel, on the inside is Nike Air, and on the other one that has the Nike Air on the heel has Cactus Jack on the inside. So flip-flopping it up, I see. So that's pretty much it throughout the shoe. And then on the bottom you got Travis Scott, bright crimson red Jumpman logo, and then you have Cactus Jack right here. It's kind of hard to see, but it's right there. But that's pretty much the shoe, you guys. Like I said, my mind was blown that I actually got these in. And yeah, I don't know if I'm gonna be wearing these like crazy, but when I do, just best believe I'm gonna get a fit off. All right, so let's go ahead and get into the actual outfit. Okay, so cute outfit. All right, so looking at the outfit right now, I have on I just want to do earth tones. I want to keep it as simple as possible, because you can screw this up. It's a brown shoe, so you want to just pretty much keep it, simple, and try to keep it as close to the color that it is. And so I just wanted to keep everything, earth tony, if that's a word or not. But anyways, so I have a Supreme brown tee. I forgot what the tee is actually called, but Dang, I researched this because I wasn't sure why it was a burning um Muslim guy on it. I don't even want to get into it politics, but Supreme brown tee, Supreme brown tee, and then I have a pair of brown cargo pants on. I don't even remember where I got the cargo pants from. It could have been PacSun. I don't remember. But I have those on, and then of course I have the Travis Sixes on, and I have the holiday brand New York to Los Angeles snapback on, brown as well. And that's the fit, man. That's the fit. You can never go wrong with just, earth tones, and it just flowed well. And I wanted to kind of, recapture Travis Scott's picture that he posted in the Sixes. I kind of wanted to, pay homage and do an outfit similar to that, and I just, put together what I had. So that's what I had, and that's how it came out. And you can pretty much, with the outfits, is brown. Brown is pretty unique color, so you can wear like, a red tee, white tee, black tee. You can do green, orange. Like it's a lot that you can do with that, and still have it, work out. It's just all about trying it out, and making sure, like I always say, make sure those colors are flowing well and everything meshes together. So yeah, I just did one fit for this. I didn't think it needed multiple fits to be shown, because y'all know how we getting down with the Travis Sixes. If you got them on, you can't disappoint. So I wanted to put on something that let y'all know, like, hey, it's that sneaker. Like, come on, man. Like, you gotta do it justice. You gotta do it justice, man. So that's the video, you guys. Hopefully you enjoyed it. Hopefully you enjoyed the little small sneaker review, and the outfit of the choice for the Travis Scott Sixes. So like I said in the beginning of my video, make sure you smash that thumbs up button for you, boy. Subscribe if you're a first time viewer. Follow me on my Instagram at @_Trice. And leave a comment down below. Do you like the olive green Sixes or the British khaki Sixes better? Which Travis Scott Six is better? Let me know down below in the comment section. And yeah, that's the video, you guys. Appreciate you guys tuning in. Like I said, nighttime, so it's
Do-rag activity.
so yeah, I gotta keep the do-rag on, keep the waves on swim. So yeah, Sway kicks them out. Peace.